And where's the police car?
There, that's the police car.
No, this.
That is the police car.
Silly. Where's the forklift?
That's the forklift.
That's a giraffe.
That's the forklift.
Where's the cement truck?
That's the truck.
Cement truck.
That's the
That's an elephant.
That's the truck.
Where's the garbage truck?
That's the daddy.
What?
That's the Cooper Pass.
Where's the limousine?
That's the one. I got a limousine in my hand.
You got a limousine in your hand. Where's the goat?
That's the limousine.
Very good.
That's the goat.
Where's the panda bear?
That's the panda bear.
Where's the zebra?
That's not zebra.
What is it? Don't try.
That's the zebra. He yelled about it.
He yelled about it.
I yelled
Where's
about
the
it.
sheep?
That's the sheep.
What does the sheep say?
Yay.
Yay? He says ba ba. Where's the motorcycle?
That's the motorcycle.
Very good. Where's the Mack truck?
That's the Mac. That's the Mac truck.
Where's the lion?
Up there.
What's the lion say?
Ooh.
He says, Where's the cow?
That's the cow.
What does the cow say?
Move.
Very good. Where's the ambulance?
That's the ambulance. That's the bunny.
It's a bunny.
Where's the kitty cat?
That's the
Kitty cat.
monkey cat.
What does the kitty cat say?
Meow.
Yes.
That tiger got me.
Oh, he got you? The tiger got it. No! Kick it, Steven. No. Bad tiger.
I like the cobras.
What's that thing?
He's backing up on me.
He's backing up on you?
Up.
I don't know. What is that called? Ask Daddy if he knows. I'm not sure.
And then it's backing up
Excavator.
on me.
A digger. Excavator. Where's the little car?
That's the little car.
And where's the piggy?
That's the piggy.
And where's the steamroller?
That's the little car.
And here's a whole bunch of dinosaurs. Mommy doesn't know their names.
That is this. No! I'm thinking on the back.
You got them all out of the back. Can you put the dinosaurs on the fridge?
Oh, no.
No. Here, you can put them over here, too. Look, on this side.
Oh, on that.
Put all the dinosaurs over there, maybe. Can you do it? That's all of them. Put them on the fridge.
With this one.
That's Egghead.
That's the pig. I thought they could.
I found Egghead. That's Squiggy.
Velociraptor.
That's Quiggy. I got to move the Quiggy.
I gotta move the Squiggy. Another Squiggy. Green Squiggy.
Another green Quiggy.
Here's a swordfish.
That's the soap. Let's go another friend. Let's go.
This is Speedy.
That's the speedy. I got his tail.
Triceratops.
I touched his tail.
You can touch his tail.
I touched the tail.
I see that.
Okay.
This is a Triceratops.
That's the tail top.
Oh, all right. Good job.
What's this one? Stego? No.
Yeah.
Brontosaurus.
That's Brontosaurus. I touched him.
Don't let him poop on you. He farted. He farted on you again. He eats too many leaves. They give him gas. He's a leaf eater. He's like Stacy, leaf eater.
I touch the tail.
Okay.
I put it.
Pterodactyl. He flies.
I touch the tail.
Good touch the tail.
He puts it on me.
Again? Oh, you're full of dino poop.
He's taking me a picture.
He's taking my picture. Say, cut it out, Dad.
I'm
I'm in my diaper here.
in my neighbor here.
Say, I got no pants on.
I have no pants on.
Oh, okay. That's one of those. Say cheese.
Teeth.
T-Rex?